Hi friends, hi neighbors. Uh, in case you've forgotten my name is Jerri-ellen, and I'm happy to be back. I apologize for my absence. I hope going forward that this just keeps rolling out video after video after video. So anyone that hung in there for me, I really do appreciate it. Any new subscribers, I appreciate you all. I love you all. And I really do appreciate you, and I really did miss you. I am getting back into the kitchen, and I can't wait to share some recipes with you all. Today I'm going to do some fall baking, and yeah, I hope that you enjoy today's video. Inside of this cookbook, I know it says Christmas, but there's a nice pumpkin recipe in here. It's pumpkin chip cookies. I'm making these pumpkin chip cookies because my son Casey and his partner Lucian, I think they would like it, so I'm going to bake it for them. I'm going to try one, of course. Gotta have a little tasty poo. Oh, I need to get it to 350. I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I measured out. Come over. I won't bite. Thanks for being here. I'm sorry that I've been away. I missed you, I really did. I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt. I never made these cookies before, these pumpkin chip cookies. Never made them. I'm looking forward to trying one. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I wonder if just a little bit of nutmeg instead of the cinnamon, because I know someone that really can't have cinnamon. So I wonder if nutmeg would do the trick. I have to Google that, and I'll see if there's a substitute, and I'll put it across the screen. So I don't know, maybe allspice, or anyway, I'll Google it and I'll put it across the screen just in case you want to try. If you're watching, you know who you are, and I appreciate you so much. I do. Okay. 1.5 cups of butter, softened or hard margarine. 2 cups of packed brown sugar. 1 cup of regular granulated sugar. They're not hard lumps. It was just kind of packed on me. And my brown sugar is there's no hard lumps in it. So if you want, you can sift through a sifter or something just to make sure you don't have any hard lumps in your sugars. You know this is going to be a mess. I'm going to cream this until it's light and fluffy. And it will take me some time because my bowl is not very big. That's light and fluffy in my bowl. That is, yeah. Anyway, till light and fluffy. And then I'm going to beat in a teaspoon of vanilla and an egg. I'm using a large egg. Here we go. You have a bigger bowl too. But anyway. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put my pumpkin puree in there. It's pure pumpkin. It's not like pumpkin pie mix, okay? I'm going to beat this in this bowl. It is, I'll put the amount across the screen. I weighed it out. So yeah, I just weighed it out. I got my scale and I set it to ounces, and the way I went. And every so often, I scrape down the sides of the bowl. And you know me, I have a little bit of water with some bleach and soap in it for when I'm cooking or baking. Anyway, So to my dry ingredients, I'm going to add this mix. Got some other goodies. I'm popping in with a spoiler alert and a bit of info. These turned out so good. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this is the first time I ever had these cookies. Delicious. I made them 2 days ago. This video is from 2 days ago. And I had them in the fridge and put some in the freezer. And I had the cookie from the fridge and it's still soft, all that brown sugar, right? And from the freezer, it wasn't too hard to eat. And I had to put all of them in the freezer at one point because I was like, I'm going to eat all these and I got to give them to Casey and Lucienne and have them a few set aside for when we have company this month. And anyway, let's get back to the video. Now, I have 2 cups. I'm going to wash my hands again. I have 2 cups of quick cooking oats, okay? So you're something that will cook in about 4 minutes on your stovetop. These are raw. I didn't cook them. I'm just letting you know if you're wondering what quick cooking oats are. They are ones that cook on the stovetop around 3-4 minutes. Cook oats have, and I also have 2 cups of chocolate chips. And now you're going to fold in your delicious chocolate chips. And the recipe says to drop by the tablespoonful 2 inches apart, so 5 centimeters apart. I like using my cookie scoop, or an ice cream scoop. This is an ice cream scoop that I have. So I'm just scooping it with my ice cream scoop onto the parchment-lined cookie sheet. It says just use an ungreased cookie sheet. I just want to use parchment paper today because I want easy cleanup. And this recipe makes a lot of cookies, all kinds of them. 4 dozen is what I got out of using my ice cream scoop. That's how many cookies I got out of this recipe. Oh my gosh. And I'm glad that we got 4 dozen because I gotta spread the joy with some people. It's so good. Pop these into your preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit or around 175 degrees Celsius, and set your timer for 12 to 14 minutes, 12 or 14 minutes. They're going to get lightly browned, and that's when they're ready. And again, I'm going to just tell you how great these are. I'm going to do a tasty poo, but I did a tasty poo with a very hot cookie. Let them cool for about 5 to 8 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack like each cookie because they are really soft at first, so you don't want them to break apart on you. Thanks for being here. See you in the next one. Take care.